Steel, first hold the end of the steel against the blade of the knife. You want to be sure that the steel has a magnetic field so that the steel can collect the shavings from the knife as you sharpen. Grip the knife, sharp edge down, in one hand and hold the steel in the other. Cross them, placing the knife blade against the steel at a 20-degree angle. Pull the knife along the entire length of the steel. Repeat 3 to 5 times on both sides of the knife. Be sure to repeat the same number of times on each side.